And those qualifications are, bless you, the ability to receive and communicate specific instructions clearly, firmly, and courteously, the ability to move and maneuver quickly, control signaling devices, which is paddles and flags, we'll talk about that, and the ability to understand and apply safe traffic control practices, and ability to recognize dangerous traffic situations. I like that last one, the ability to recognize. That's kind of common sense. I kind of attribute that to common sense. Why is that one important? The ability to recognize dangerous traffic, and that's, we say common sense. Why is it important, if I'm standing here, if I'm watching traffic coming this way, why is it important for me to recognize dangerous traffic situations?
Well, like you recognize a vehicle that's jumping out of control.
Yeah.
In an early stage.
Yeah.
Understand which way it's going, that's just out of control.
Absolutely, absolutely. So we talk about that, and we'll talk about sight distance later as we talk about this. So if I'm here, and if I'm some knucklehead that has no idea of what a errant car looks like, and I have no, if I'm not cognizant of these things and really not even thinking about what's going on, if I'm thinking about what's going on somewhere down the road, if I'm on my phone doing all this stuff, if I don't recognize those situations until that car is like right here, what good has it done anybody? But the ability to recognize these situations, 500 feet. We'll talk about how much sight distance do I need? 500 feet. Those 500 feet is important because that 500 feet gives me about a few seconds more to not only warn myself and get out of the way, but recognize, hey, that car's not acting right. It's coming a little bit too fast. It's not going to get stopped. It's showing any kind of brakes. So either I can get out of the way, I can sound the horn or do whatever, and I can start warning folks and get things started in motion to actually save some lives. Is really what it boils down to. So recognize those dangerous situations. So that's very, very important.